Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you spend your money wisely so you don't end up eating ramen for the rest of the month. Today, we have an aerial showdown between two GPS drones that are ready to take your photography game to new heights. On the left, we have the TENSSENX GPS drone, let's call it TENNY for short, and on the right, the Holy Stone GPS drone HS360S, or Holy Moly for fun. Buckle up because this is going to be a ride. First up, let's talk cameras. TENNY sports a 4K ultra clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. That's like having an eagle's eye with a neck that swivels. Perfect for capturing those epic moments, whether it's your kid's soccer game or your neighbor's questionable lawn decor. Reviewers appreciate TENNY's high-quality camera, noting it's great for both beginners and seasoned users. Now, Holy Moly isn't slacking either. It packs a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor and an 85 degrees wide angle. Sure, it's a bit narrow compared to TENNY, but it's got that Galaxy Core sensor, which sounds like something straight out of Star Wars. Reviewers particularly praise the detailed imaging capabilities, making it a solid choice for professional use like real estate photography. A verdict? Both are like having a Hollywood director in your backpack, but Holy Moly might have a slight edge with its fancy sensor. But hey, TENNY still gives you that wider view. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. TENNY comes in at a cool $169. It's like the budget-friendly friend who always knows how to have a good time without breaking the bank. Reviewers love TENNY's affordability and user-friendly features, making it a great starter drone. Holy Moly, on the other hand, is a bit of a high roller at $209. It's like that friend who insists on eating at 5-star restaurants, but always forgets their wallet. Despite the higher price, reviewers find it to be a great value, especially for beginners and those looking for advanced features. So if your wallet is as thin as my patience on a Monday morning, TENNY is your go-to. But if you've got a bit more cash to splash, Holy Moly might be worth the extra bucks. Next, let's see how long these bad boys can stay in the air. TENNY comes with 2 modular batteries, giving you a whopping 46 minutes of flight time. That's almost enough time to binge watch an episode of your favorite show. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time, though some mention it's lightweight and can be affected by wind. Holy Moly, on the other hand, offers 20 minutes of flight with its powerful modular battery. Not bad, but you might want to keep an eye on the clock unless you enjoy your drone making an unscheduled landing. Reviewers note that while the flight time is shorter, the drone is stable and easy to use. So if you're planning on making a feature-length film from the skies, TENNY's the marathon runner you need. Holy Moly is more of a sprinter, quick but short-lived. Now, let's talk GPS and return home features. TENNY has a smart GPS-assisted feature that automatically returns home when it loses signal, goes out of range, or gets low on battery. It's like having a drone with homing pigeon instincts. Reviewers find this feature very convenient, though one mentioned a potential issue with erratic behavior. Holy Moly also boasts precise GPS positioning and a return home function. It's basically the drone equivalent of a boomerang. Throw it out, and it comes right back. Plus, it has a 10,000 feet long-range transmission. That's like being able to fly from your backyard to the next town over. Reviewers rave about its reliability and long-range capabilities. Both drones will find their way back to you, but Holy Moly's long-range control is like having a GPS on steroids. Finally, let's see which one is easier to use. TENNY comes with multiple functions like headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and altitude hold. It's basically the drone equivalent of an easy bake oven, perfect for beginners. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and durability, making it a family favorite. Holy Moly isn't far behind with its beginner mode, optical flow positioning, and a bunch of intelligent recording modes like spiral up and one-tap ascension. It's like having a drone that doubles as your personal cinematographer. Reviewers highlight its user-friendly interface and advanced features, making it a hit among both newbies and experienced pilots. Both drones are user-friendly, but Holy Moly might have the edge with its advanced features and intelligent control system. It's like having a drone that reads your mind, or at least your app commands. Both the TENSSENX GPS drone and the Holy Stone GPS drone HS360S have received positive reviews from users. Reviewers love TENNY for its affordability, ease of use, and longer flight time, making it a great choice for beginners and families. Holy Moly, on the other hand, is praised for its advanced features, detailed imaging capabilities, and reliability, making it a valuable asset for both beginners and professionals. So which drone should you buy? If you're on a budget and need more flight time, TENNY is your go-to. But if you want advanced features and don't mind spending a bit more, Holy Moly is the way to go. Either way, you're getting a fantastic drone that will make your Instagram feed the envy of all your friends. Thanks for watching, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. And drop a comment below letting us know which drone you think is the winner. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.